Myntri berikmi ikhtrat Tyngka Sorkar India, Nirmala Sitharaman, hakish potrek naitung arjapsan, kala Plie ba ek shopping mall kabalong katkum kecuk thamai, berkebanong kong du hanong ba Shillong. Hakani sengi lai don lang do Myntri rangba ke jala konrat ke sangma, usumbot Myntri rangba ke jala beri pej ikhtrat urban affairs ubak sneo balang dar, ubak DP walang chief secretary, ke Dr. Mesel Ampurin Lingdo, Myntri berikmi ikhtrat ke koi kia, Dr. D. Vijay Myntri, IAS Commissioner and Secretary ke Tenat Urban Affairs, UPK Boro, Director ke Tenat Urban Affairs, Nalar Kiwe. Yang shopping mall labu monong rem nadu ke arfratrek bersau arca arfau, balak ban pendapat au benai nopra cung snem arca arfau. Latai kalang ba Shillong Smart City Project, the company Badri Rai, hak jinglot ke basispa apon Plie Klur Tyngka. Berkebadan ru ikjinghe ke bahad hadu iwe penyo fulak square feet. Kanek shopping mall nrimala kadon sispa khandai tali ki dukan bria marbam ka gaming zone but food court ke bahe adu sanpu ar square feet. Kandan ru ikcakayang kali ke balak ban perung hadu prapanru tali kali but sanpu tali ki arshaka. Ban nolor kenie ki wei pak jingtai ki kanthop sandali ki lift kharar tali ki escalator sandali ki emergent exit ka sewage treatment plan ba nyup kiloliter ka water treatment plan. She's passed for the CCTV, but the building managed system BMS Kabapura.
Today, Madam is able to come to Shillong and will be here with us for the next 3 days, and will be able to engage with the people. Will be able to inaugurate many projects, lay down many foundation stones for future projects, and of course have very fruitful discussion on the future of the state. I just want to say two things. Number one is that I have been working with our Honorable Finance Minister for many years, and I want to share in this platform today that Madam has been always very kind and considerate towards our state of Meghalaya and also the entire Northeast. She has a very soft corner for the people of the Northeast, for the Northeast region as a whole, and we have always felt that whenever we have gone to request her for any kind of special consideration for our state, Madam has never said no. I also want to share with all of you that there is a special program by the Finance Ministry which is called a Special Assistant to Capital Investment for different states. And this is a scheme which is mostly meant for infrastructure development. And with the blessing of the Finance Ministry and the blessing of our Honorable Finance Minister, Meghalaya State has been able to get maximum funds through this scheme which we call SAS scheme. And with the help of this program, many roads, connectivity have been developed. Many large infrastructures have been created, and different kind of iconic projects have been made, and many more will be made in the future. And the reason I'm mentioning this today to you is because we all end up seeing the roads being constructed. We all end up seeing different projects coming up, but we never come to know that actually the funds have come from SASCI. So it has been funds that Madam has been very generous. Meghalaya has been one of the few states that has been able to really capitalize on the scheme, and through her guidance today, we are really able to use those funds for the overall development of the state. The second point which I would like to mention is that, ma'am, today what we are inaugurating here today, yes, it is a shopping complex and a new building and a new concept, but this is actually in a way symbol, I should say, of the progress and the plans and the transformation that we have planned for the entire city of Shillong. And this is the first building that we're inaugurating now, but there are series of other programs and projects that are coming up. So what we're seeing here today is the beginning. You will see that along the way, projects to beautify the entire riverfront, a project that's costing close to about 35 crores, has already been sanctioned and work has started. So we will actually have the entire riverfront being made into a proper tourist spot and develop it. We are also developing the entire area for the sports complex, where all the major sports events take place as of now. All that is being developed. Behind that also, we have some land where we'll be again creating additional infrastructure. So all of this area will be developed. We are in very advanced talks also with the shopkeepers along in this area so that we are able to beautify this entire space. For the first time, ma'am, what I want to tell you is that this kind of a transformative project and thought process has never happened. Shillong has been the Shillong it was earlier, with no major projects taking place of this magnitude. It is only in the recent past that this started, and this project is the first one to be completed, and there are many more coming in. We just showed you the projects for the new Shillong area which is coming up. That again is is going to be a very, very important part of our city. The entire new assembly is there, the lift is there, the IIM is there, and of course our new administrative city will come up in that area, which will further lead to the decongestion of Shillong city, and we hope that that will again pave the way for us to then develop more, and as was mentioned by you, we really look forward to having the other modern aspects of underground duct cabling, where all the water, power, other cables are all underground. So those projects are restricted because of the fact that once we start those projects and construct them, then it really affects the traffic and the vehicle movement.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.